Hey everyone, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to show you what I got at my Boxing Day haul at Michael's, and they had a huge sale. They had buy one get one free. They also had buy two get one free and buy three get one free, but the only deal I liked was the buy one get one free. They also had up to 70% off on all the Christmas stuff. So we'll get started here. And the first thing I got 70% off were these envelopes. Regular is $8. There's 50 envelopes in here. They're all red, and all they had was the red ones left. And then also by Recollections, I got the envelopes and the cards, and those were $15. 40 sets you get, so 40 cards and envelopes with that one. And so the measurements is 5 inches and 6.5 inches, and this is 5.25 by 7.25 inches, so these are a little bit bigger than those. So 70% off. Also 70% off were these sticker books. So these two here are all different kinds: Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Halloween, and Christmas, Easter. They have all different things in there. So I got two of those. Look at the regular price was $18 for these. And then I got one that's food, fun food, for your journaling. 70% off. And then of course the Christmas one, and this one here has a Christmas countdown up to 25. And then other calendars and numbers, which is good for my December dailies for next year. A whole bunch. Look at those. Cool prices. So I paid about maybe $5 for each of these sets instead of paying $18 or $15 for this one. 70% off. Also 70% off, I got these little whimsies. You know, you take them apart and you put stuff in there. They also came with they also had little ornaments, but I didn't buy the ornaments that go in there because I think I want to use these more for maybe Halloween or something. We'll see. We'll figure it out. And then 70% off on these buttons, Christmas buttons. So you can make a snowman if you want. Put them in your journals. They go like that. So you could do embellishments. You can hang them with a tassel. However you want to do it. So 70% off of these. Also, I paid maybe $1 or something like that for that. And then I got two of these 5 yards, so they're $5 each, 70% off of that too. So these are the beaded garlands. And then I also got, well, I'm not Jewish, but my daughter wanted coins. They also have silver coins, but we just got 36 of these ones, the coins, the dreidel coins to play with anyway. And also another one of these ones are different than this one. This one has a cork bottom, so you can actually stick with a pin on the bottom of those to make them stand up right. Oh, I got more buttons here. Everywhere I'm looking, I got more buttons. There's more snowman buttons. My daughter wanted the buttons, so I got them for her. Push that aside. Also 70% off were all the paper pads, the 6x6 paper pads. And I got the gingerbread cottage one, regular $10. I only paid $3 for these. $3 each. So I got one of those because that's the last one they had of this one. And then I picked up 3 of the peppermint twist. So I can make a nice journal out of that. So I got 3 of those. And then I got 3 of the Always Christmas. And these are nice. They're all double-sided and they're very thick cardstock. 3 of those. Okay, and then 70% off. Got the Recollections Christmas tags, the countdown, 25 up until number 1, which is good, and you get the twine too, somewhere in there, it's probably in between. So 25 tags, these are good for your countdowns also. And then we got 2 of these frames, wooden frames, that you could decorate yourself and do whatever you want on them. 70% off of that, so I paid maybe 80 cents or something for it. And then I ended up getting one of these things. I don't know why. I guess my daughter wanted them so she can make something. Regular $11, but 70% off. She can make her own candy cane mouse. Okay. And then we got the Tim Holtz here. And we got quote chips. And they're the Christmas ones. Christmas 70% off. Tim Holtz is not bad. And then I got two of these Christmas banner kits by Recollections. They're regular $15, 70% off of that also. I don't think I'm going to make a banner out of it. I think I'm going to make maybe a mini album out of the banner. That's what the kit comes with. So I got two of those at 70% off. And then we ended up getting two of these, but my daughter already opened one. And these are gift cards with envelopes, regular $8. Everything 70% off. So we got two of these. And then I got one of these things, foam stickers. These are good for when you're doing your December daily or something, or making cards for kids or whatever. This is just a value pack of different shapes, foam shapes with stickers on the back. 70% off of that. Oh, let's get more 70% off stuff here. What is this? These are cards and envelopes. Somebody opened this already. I guess my daughter did again. So, oh, sparkles. Okay, this is glitter envelopes. These are envelopes. And they come with the little card, a little Christmas card here that you could stick in the envelope. Oops. So I got this 70% off, regular $8. Put that over there. And then I got these little Santa pocket envelopes. These are little cute little envelopes. You get 8 pieces in here. It looks like a little Santa outfit. And then I ended up getting these sticky notes. It's a to-do list or a check it twice list. You get 50 of them in there. 70% off of that. And then more Tim Holtz stuff at 70% off. Wow, this is a big haul. So I got some adornments. They're snowflakes. 70% off of that. Then I got his flashcards, holiday flashcards. I have the other flashcards too. I haven't done nothing with it yet. Then I got his ephemera pack. They only had the one, so I picked up the one. I picked whatever was there. There's 69 pieces in here, which is pretty good. And then I got some planner accessories. These are just the stickers, little words. It says Elfin approved or overserved or decked a hall. And then I got 2 packs of the countdown stickers. I go up to number 24 though on this one. Get 150 in here. So I got 2 of those. And then I got these stickers also. Show you all the fun things you can do and add them to your journal. And I got 2 Tim Holtz paper packs, 70% off. And these are also double-sided, and these are more vintage kind, which are cool. Cool paper pads, 2 of those at 70% off. Then they also had a buy one, get one free. And they had these kids' beads and stuff, and I think my daughter already opened one of them, but I got something like this, 2 of them. Buy one, get one free, regular $10, so I paid $5 each for these sets. All the kids' stuff were like buy one, get one free. And then I got all these paper packs because they are regular $5, but they had them on sale, buy one, get one free, so I only paid $2.50 for each of these packs, and look how many packs I got. So I'm stocked up now. I got 6 packs. I'm all stocked up and ready to go for the following year. And then also buy one, get one free were the big paper packs, the hot buy packs. They're regular $12, so I paid $6 each for these, buy one, get one free. And this one here is the Recollections Woodworks. And I thought they were pretty cool to get the kind of wood design. They're all single-sided sheets. So you get 2 of each design in here. So I thought this would be cool to make some kind of little mini album in there. And then I ended up getting Fly Me Away. I liked it because it was more vintagey type of thing. And I'll show you this one. Look at the paper. Oops, went too fast there. So, again, come on, there you go, look. Okay, stamps, vintage stuff here. This is a cool paper pad, I like this one. This one's nice too. They look like they're all single sheets. Oh, here we go. These are the doubles now. Usually they put the doubles together, but not this one. So these are all the same ones over and over again. Cool. Fly with me. If you're going on a vacation, this would be a good one to put your pictures on for the vacation. So here we have everything that I got at my Boxing Day at Michael's. Believe it or not, all of this cost over $200, but I did not pay that much for it. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.